Hello my dear friends, my name is Dhruv. Welcome to my channel Techie Travel. In this video, I'll share my experience about my trip to the world's largest statue, the Statue of Unity, which is located in Gujarat. Its height is 183 meters and it has been built by the company Larsen Toubro in just about 42 months. This statue is of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a key role in uniting princely states of India. The nearest city to the statue is Vadodara, which is about 90 kilometers or 1 hour 15 minutes drive. So I started my journey early in the morning, enjoying the sunrise across the roads. So, after reaching Kevadiya, the village where the statue is located, I continued my journey in the Gujarat Tourism Department bus, which takes you to the world's tallest statue, Statue of Unity. I enjoyed the scenic views across the roads while traveling to the Statue of Unity. And last, I reached the world's largest statue, the Statue of Unity. Now the actual trip begins. The statue is absolutely mind-blowing. It's actually magnificent. The artwork cannot be described in words. So you also enjoy the scenic view of the world's largest statue. Afterwards, I went to the observation deck, which is strategically positioned at a height of 153 meters at the heart of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. From there, we can enjoy the scenic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam or the Narmada Dam and the Narmada River. That scenic view is absolutely amazing. You can also enjoy it. There's a great food court near the statue where there are a variety of delicacies that you can enjoy, and also there is a souvenir shop nearby. After that, I boarded the bus again, which took me to the Valley of Flowers. This Valley of Flowers has hundreds of different kinds of flowers and plants spread across an area of 7 kilometers. And there is a butterfly park nearby, which is also absolutely amazing. From here, the view of the statue is also very good. The bus took me to the different tourist spots nearby, which are the Narmada Reservoir, the Narmada Tent City, and the Safari and Adventure Park, which has recently opened in the area. Near the foot of the statue, there is a museum which has a miniature statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and also you can see a great documentary film based on the life and struggles of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now we will see how this statue has been developed. This statue has become the world's largest statue after beating the Statue of Liberty of USA and the Spring Temple Buddha statue of China. The talented artist who designed and developed this statue is Mr. Sutar. During the construction, 70,000 tons of cement, 18,500 tons of reinforcement steel, 6,000 tons of structural steel, 1,800 metric tons of bronze, and many other materials have been used. The observation deck has a capacity of 200 people, where tourists can reach through high-speed and high-quality lifts, which covers 153 meters in just 40 seconds. There are hundreds of tourist guides available, many shops and food stalls are also made, and the whole campus is secured by CCTV cameras. All the tourist spots are maintained properly and are extremely clean. A laser show is also held in the evening on special occasions or holidays, which portrays the story of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. The luxurious tents in the tent city are also available for the tourists for night stay. Overall, it's a worth visiting tourist location. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications.